Hey guys, it's Seth here, and welcome to my very first video. Today I'll be talking about my $500 dream PC build. Before we start, I'll let you guys know this is my dream build. This is all opinionated, you guys might have different preferences, but yeah, let's get on with the video. The first thing on the list is the CPU. For the CPU, I went with the Intel Core i3 7100 3.9 GHz dual core processor. I know I could have gone with a little bit more expensive i3 that would be a quad core, but I just went with the dual core for the extra gigahertz, and that's what I'm really aiming for because it'll really help me out while I'm editing. And that's really all I'm gonna be doing on this PC. For the CPU cooler, I went with the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo 82.9 CFM sleeve bearing CPU cooler. God, that was a mouthful. I chose that because it works with the CPU size and it's the cheapest. For the motherboard, I went with the MSI B250 PC made ATX LGA 1151 motherboard. I mainly chose this motherboard because it holds up to 64 gigabytes of memory, and that leaves enough room for upgrading in the future. And it has a good amount of USB 3 ports. All in all, it's a great place to start for motherboards. For the RAM, I went with the Crucial Ballistic Sport LT 8GB 1-stick DDR4 memory. I chose this because I only need 8 gigabytes at this moment, and plus the motherboard that I have holds up to 64 gigabytes, so there's a bunch of room left to upgrade. And for the storage, I got the Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB 3.5 7200 RPM internal hard drive. This is the most basic storage unit I've ever seen in a computer. And I don't mean that in a bad way, because it gets the job done very well. And I know it's kind of contradicting me saying that I was going to be an editor on this PC, and that usually means I should get an SSD for the rendering speed, but I'll just upgrade in the future, so I'll just stick with the 1TB of storage for now. Since I'm going to do some light gaming on this, like just for CSGO and some MMOs, I got the Gigabyte GeForce GT 1032GB low profile video card. Got this because it was only $70 on PC Part Picker, and that is a crazy deal for any of the 10 series on GeForce, and I don't really need a 1060 or 70 at the moment. For the case, I went with a pretty basic deep cool case. It is a mid-tower. It is called the Terrace Rack. Yeah, I think it's Terrace Rack SW ATX mid-tower case, and it looks pretty cool with the, God, what is it called? Hold on one second. I got this. I'm just gonna call it the side panel. Well, there's glass at the side panel that you can see through and let you see everything in it, and it's backlit. And not sure if that's the right term for it. I'm gonna go with it. Backlit. Yeah, and it's only $35 right now, so I'd get on that. And to top this build off, I got the EVGA 500 watt 80 plus bronze certified ATX power supply. Again, light gaming, editing, I don't really need much more than 500 watts. And it's ATX power supply, so fits in my mid-tower case. I think that is gonna wrap up this video. So if you like this video, I'm not going to tell you to like it, I'm not going to tell you to subscribe. If you liked it, you know what to do. If you want to see more of this, you know what to do. But I'm not telling you to. It's all your choice. If you want to see more tech videos, just let me know in the comments, or if you want gaming, let me know in the comments. And the majority will pick. I'll still do both either way, but I do one of the videos first. By the way, ending off this $500 build, it isn't exactly $500. The total right now is $479.48. Prices may vary in the future, but bye.